Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm gonna start off with this big natural textured hair. This is by Outre. This is one of their Wigpop collection wigs, and she is called Chelsea. I have her in the color DR2/Sunset Copper. Really pretty color. Now when I first saw the stock card, I was excited and scared at the same time because I saw that this was a natural texture. I saw that the curls on this was so beautiful, and I absolutely love the style from the beginning, but I was scared because you guys know the Wigpop collections, they're either like a flash-like part, a full wig. It's not no lace front or anything like that. And not to say I need it to be lace front, but I need a lace part at least, like, or just round it off, like make me a regular crown closure. The flash-like parts, I don't think I can ever get into it, but this is a flesh-like part wig. Okay, so you do get flesh, like a flesh-like part. It kind of looks like flesh up top right there, and then in the front you have like a zigzag separation of the hair, so the parting does not go all the way through. I think what I should do is just add powder all the way through to the front and give that illusion, like make it look as if it's actually a part when it's not. I think that could work. Maybe I'll try that. But so far, let me, you know what, I'm gonna try that while I talk about the hair. So as you guys can tell, it's a natural texture. Look at this. You see the volume on this, the density, like look, it's thick, and the texture is, what is going on? This always embarrasses me. Every time I start talking good about a hair, it embarrasses me. I don't know why, but anyway, it's thick, and the texture is beautiful. The density is beautiful. I love it, love it, love it so much. And guys, it comes with some layers and stuff like that, so the layers pretty much frame your face really nicely, as you guys can see. And for the cap, let me go into the cap. So the cap, you get 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, the adjustable straps. You have a stretchable mesh net material cap. I would say it's about medium in cap size. It doesn't stretch that much, but it stretches, you know, so medium in cap size, I would say. Is this even looking like I can pull this off? Could I pull this off? I mean, who's gonna know unless you're really in my face, you're really in my business. Like, that's the only way you'll know. So I think that they could have made the flash-like part come all the way out instead of stopping it there and just having the hair separated. I think they could have just put it all the way out. That way I think we would have been able to blend it and stuff way better. I mean, I love the style. I love everything about this except that little flash-like part right there. I think that's really like a deal breaker for me. Now the hair is heat safe up to 400 degrees. You can add heat to it if you want to. It comes in some colors, not a lot, not a whole lot like you usually get from this collection, because the Wigpop collection you usually get a lot of different colors. This one you get colors but not as much, but regardless, the hair is super cute. I could definitely see myself buying this. Despite the whole parking space area, I can definitely see myself buying this, even if I have to wear this with a hat or something, or try to do something with the parting space just so it doesn't look, you know, crazy or anything like that. I can definitely see myself buying this and wearing it actually on a daily basis because of how beautiful the hair and the texture and everything is. Now let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this, because I'm not too sure if you guys are into the whole flash-like parts or if it's something of the past. I'm not too sure if you guys are into the whole separation and stuff like that, what you think about it. I'll make sure to take some time and read the comment section just to, you know, see what you guys think about this wig down in the comment section below. But anyway, if you want to purchase, the link would be in the description box. Make sure you click on that. It will take you directly to the unit on the website. You can choose your color, purchase from there. But thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.